Hi, this is Vikas here. Welcome back my YouTube channel and Short and Typing with Vikas sir. The Hindu editorial dictation heading is a time to introspect. Introspect means यहाँ पे आपका मतलब जांच करना, ये एक ऐसा टाइम है जांच करने का। देखिए क्या बोला गया हेडिंग में, मोर सेंटर स्टेट डेलिब्रेशन। डेलिब्रेशन का यहाँ पे मीनिंग होता है बातचीत करना। नीडेड विद जीएसटी रेजिम एट क्रिटिकल टर्निंग पॉइंट। जो टर्निंग पॉइंट हमारा क्रिटिकल है, नाजुक है। ओके, इस आर्टिकल का डिक्टेट करेंगे हम एट द रेट 100 वर्ड पर मिनट। सो बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। At its first physical meeting during the pandemic, the GST Tax Council approved a flurry of changes. Concessional tax rates on vital COVID-19 equipment such as oxygen concentrators will lapse on September 13, while the lower rates on medicines were extended till December. Whatever the pace of vaccination, there are no signs the virus and its variants would be extinct on New Year's Day. So the council could have taken a more considerate view on pandemic essentials. Tax rate tweaks were okayed for an electric range of sectors with long pending course correction on inverted duty structures, pledging several items including footwear and textiles. The semblance of clarity brought in on a much disputed issue, the definition of an intermediary is welcome, for it was hurting several sectors, including IT services, experts, double taxation on the minor import of leased aircraft goods. Food delivery services players shall be made liable to collect and remit taxes instead of the restaurants. One awaits the fine print to assess the impact on consumers and smaller outlets. The plan to tax coconut oil as a personal care item at 18% for pack sizes below 1 liter and retain the 5% rate on edible oils for larger packs has been held back for study and will hopefully be shelved for good. These pulses and minuses aside, two things stand out for Indian consumers: the Council's firm dismissal of any shift of petroleum products to GST to lower the tax burden, and the fact that GST says on automobiles, tobacco, and airtight drinks will now be levied till April 2026, not June 2022, as originally envisaged. While the Council may have discussed petro products only briefly to comply with a Kerala High Court order, consumers who need some relief on fuel prices, irrespective who cuts taxes, may have held misplaced hopes. If the government really wants a consumption rebound that may rejoin private investments, the center and states must begin talks on rationalizing fuel taxes. The finance minister has often expressed the worry, what if we cut taxes and states do not? Perhaps a compact could be arrived at, so both give up a little revenue to spur spending. A similar dialogue is needed for an honest review of the GST regime's progress and the way ahead. With just 9 more months of assured compensation for states. They are worried about revenue streams falling off the cliff thereafter. Their pleas for an extension in the compensation period have met with strong defiance, and the argument that GST revenues are below expectations. Two ministerial groups have been tasked to augment revenues using technology and rate rationalizations. The center need not wait for their reports to hold a special council meeting to discuss states' compensation concerns as had been promised. At this juncture, the council should be a forum for empathetic contemplation, not fractious friction. Full stop.